If you want to try Google AI Assistant Bard, here's how you can use Google Bard and get the most out of it. For that, you have to open any browser and go to bard.google.com, or you can simply search Bard Google. bard.google.com. Sorry, I just misspelled. I have to remove one O. Now you have to log into your Google account if you are not signed in already. Now you will land on a clean interface which is similar to ChatGPT if you have used ChatGPT previously. Now the step 2 is to start conversation. At the bottom there is a chat box. You can tap on it and just type your question or prompt, like explain black hole in simple words. You have to hit enter and Bard responds instantly. You can also tap on the microphone icon to speak instead of typing. And real use cases can be writing emails, captions, blog posts, summarizing tests or articles, translating languages, coding help, or brainstorming ideas. It even gives you multiple drafts. You can just tab view other drafts to compare versions. You can copy Bard response or tap the export button to send it directly to Gmail, Docs, or Sheets. It's super handy if you want to keep working and answer later. And that's it. And that's how you can get started with Google Bard. Free, fast, and full of possibilities. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and tap on the bell icon if you want more tech videos like that. See you in the next one.